Hello, everyone, and welcome to our second holiday edition of the Sailor Station. I'm Robert Leigh.
And I'm DiMisa. With the circumstances of this year, many have been looking forward to the holidays. With time off from work and school, this is the perfect opportunity to enjoy time with your families and relax. And of course, with the conditions that this year has brought upon us, many people cannot wait to see what's in store for 2021.
I know I'm sure excited for the new year. Specifically, I cannot wait to see the Super Bowl. This event is something I look forward to every year. While most love the big game, many tune in to see the halftime show. Let's throw it to my co-anchor, DiMisa, who will give her take on the top 5 Super Bowl halftime shows of all time.
With the end of the year approaching, many people are skeptical about what's in store for 2021. One of the first exciting events of the new year will of course be the 55th annual Super Bowl. While the big game is the main event, many people tune in to see other aspects of the occasion. Some enjoy the chips and dip, while many are entertained by the numerous commercials created just for this event. But my personal favorite feature is seeing the spectacle that is the halftime show. There have been 54 halftime performances thus far, and today we will attempt to settle the ongoing debate. What is the best Super Bowl halftime show of all time? I'm DiMisa, and you're watching the Sailor Station. Number 5. Bruce Springsteen and the E Street Band.
I want you to put the chicken fingers down and turn your television all the way up.
Bruce Springsteen turned down the offer to perform at the Super Bowl numerous times, but once he finally accepted, viewers were all in agreement that he was well worth the wait. His performance proved that special effects and flashy components are not needed to put on a great show. Number 4. Beyoncé.
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need.
Bourbon Street was rocking when Beyoncé hit the stage. She conveyed a stage presence like no other. Her vocals and dance moves were both impressive and unmatchable, but viewers were most in shock to see her reunite with her fellow members of Destiny's Child, Kelly Rowland and Michelle Williams. Beyoncé definitely left her mark on New Orleans.
Surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. Pray you won't fade away.
Number 3. U2.
It's a beautiful
U2 exhibited an emotional performance as it took place just 5 months after 9/11. During their touching performance, a banner was displayed paying homage to the lives lost in the terrorist attack. This patriotic performance did not leave one dry eye in the Superdome. Number 2. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson's command of the stage at the Rose Bowl was absolutely electrifying. His dance moves, singing, and energy made for the perfect stage presence. The crowd at this historic landmark greatly enjoyed this performance, and Michael Jackson deserved all of the praise that he received. Number 1. Prince.
Only wanna see you laughing, yeah, in the purple rain.
While this performance was far from flashy, Prince's vocals and stage presence absolutely rocked Miami as he displayed an amazing guitar solo during his final song, Purple Rain. This is easily the greatest Super Bowl halftime show of all time. This has been the top 5 Super Bowl halftime shows of all time. I can't wait to see if future performances match or even exceed this list of incredible talents. For now, let's send it back to the studio. With the holiday season among us, many enjoy the special foods that are made around this time of year. In fact, the winter season always makes me want to try out new recipes. Let's head to our resident chef, Allie Crystal, who is going to show you how to make a simple yet delicious holiday treat.
Hi, I'm Allie Crystal. Happy holidays and welcome back to Allie's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making these cute little Reese's trees. These are super easy to make and would make such a cute gift. Let's get started. First, unwrap 4 big Reese's and 8 mini ones, as well as 4 Hershey's Kisses. Then, take some chocolate and melt it in the microwave. Place one mini Reese's and put some chocolate on top. Add a big one and more chocolate. Another mini one goes on top with some more chocolate, and finally a Hershey Kiss. Repeat this 3 more times. Once it's set, an optional step is to decorate. I'm using red frosting to try and get a light string kind of look and some festive sprinkles. And that's it. These are so cute and would make a perfect gift or craft for kids. This is quick and easy, so make sure to try it this holiday season. I'm Allie Crystal, and I'll see you next time on Allie's Kitchen.
That looks great, Allie. I'll be sure to try your recipe. Along with holiday foods, there are many special drinks that are only out during this time of year. Whether it be on a restaurant's menu or in supermarket shelves, everyone has a favorite drink that can only be enjoyed around the holidays. Let's head to Michael Papero to hear more about his favorite seasonal drink.
With the Christmas season underway, we're able to welcome back a fan favorite drink for the holidays, the Sprite Cranberry. The Sprite Cranberry became so popular after a commercial was released back in 2017 with an animated version of LeBron James. This commercial became so popular because of the many internet memes that were made out of it when the commercial aired. Here are some of the many memes that were created out of this commercial. Now, enjoy this TikTok I made last Christmas about Sprite Cranberry.
It's the thirstiest time of the year. I have just one query.
Want a Sprite Cranberry?
Sprite Cranberry is a great drink, especially during the holiday season. I recommend it to everyone who hasn't tried it. As far as Sprite Cranberry versus Sprite, I don't know which one I'd like better. It's a really hard decision. But for all of those who haven't tried it yet, I recommend trying Sprite Cranberry. And yeah, thank you for watching.
I've never had that drink before, Michael. I'll have to try it out. During this time of year, I love to sit down with a cup of hot chocolate and a good book. If you're like me but need a book suggestion, you're in luck. Here are our book experts, Jacob and Jared, who are going to give you a great recommendation.
Hello, Sailor Station. I love the holidays. The holiday season is a great way to spend time with family, putting up decorations, and giving and receiving gifts. One of my favorite types of gifts to receive is books. Here for the holidays, I've gotten Book 1 of the Neon Genesis Evangelion manga series, manga being Japanese comic. And today we're going to be talking about the television series it's based on.
残酷な天使のように少年よ神話になれ
Here to join me to talk about this incredible series is fellow Evangelion fan Jared Price.
Thank you for having me here, Jacob. Happy to be here.
For the people who don't know, Neon Genesis Evangelion is a famous anime series directed by Hideaki Anno. Originally released in 1995, this series has accumulated a massive fandom, becoming one of the most iconic anime series of all time.
It follows 3 teenagers named Shinji, Asuka, and Rei, who are tasked with piloting these mysterious machines known as Evangelions. They pilot these machines in order to protect mankind from these mysterious creatures called angels. Even though it's a pretty simple concept, it has a deeper meaning to it.
Yeah, I totally agree. If there's one element of this series that impacts me the most, it would have to be the way it explores all the characters really thoroughly.
For me, I'd probably say it would be the story. Like I said before, it has a simple concept, but if you continue to just read or watch it, you can notice some very deep meanings. You know, I like finding different meanings like that in stories like these.
Yeah, totally. The characters and storyline have a lot of depth, and probably my favorite character, who probably has the most depth since he is the main character, would be Shinji Ikari. He's pretty relatable, and over time, you might not like him at first, but he definitely tends to grow on you, and you see some of yourself in him, or some of him in you.
Yeah, I agree on that. I mean, I was one of those people who didn't like him at first, but like you said, tends to grow on you. which actually leads me into my favorite character, which is actually his father, Gendo Ikari. He may come off as a little cold-hearted towards his son, but when you really look into his character, you notice he really cares about not just his son, but the pilots as well. I also like, in the TV show where stuff reflects off his glasses. I think that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I definitely do like the glasses too. So thanks, Jared, for coming on.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course. Thank you guys for watching. I highly recommend this show. You might find something in it that you really enjoy, like me. And as for that, have a great holiday season and look forward to more Oceanside Sailor Station broadcasts in the future.
Thanks so much, Jacob and Jared, for that great book suggestion. I'll be sure to check it out. This has been a Holiday Sailor Station. On behalf of the broadcasting class, we would like to wish you and your family a happy and healthy New Year. And remember, for all things Sailor Nation,
We are the Sailor Station.